Hi, it's Claire from Claire's Itchy Feet, and I have just arrived in Mystic in Connecticut. So I'd never even heard of Mystic until my friend, 7-day weekender, said about coming up here for a little midweek girly break. It's like 2.5 hours outside of New York City. It's a really easy drive. It was actually my first time ever driving further than the shop, and my mum very bravely lent me her car. Of course, in England we drive on the left-hand side of the road. So yeah, it was kind of a little bit scary at first, but actually it was a really easy drive to get up here. It's like 2.5 hours, so it's perfect weekend getaway, the midweek break from the city. So we're staying at the Whalers Inn, and we just arrived, and my first impression is just wow. We've been given our own rooms each, so Lindsay is next door to me, and it's just beautiful. There's a little gift there. The tub has like air jets, you can have like a jacuzzi. There's bathrobes, like it's just beautiful. So we haven't been outside to explore the town properly, but we did just see a few things driving through it. So you may have heard of Mystic because it was made famous by the Julia Roberts film Mystic Pizza, and Mystic Pizza is actually real, but apparently Mystic is it's a really good place for foodies. Pirates everywhere.
Arr, matey.
So we've come down to, where are we?
Stonington.
We've come down to Stonington to try and find some seals, because apparently there might be some seals here. But it's kind of grey and kind of miserable. You can't see any seals. Okay, so there are no seals here today. No seals. However, that's probably a good thing, because apparently they only actually come up when they're like in distress or they're sad. So we have happy seals, which is good.